Welcome to our guide on nourishing your body with the best foods nature has to offer. In today's video, we're sharing practical tips to help you maintain a healthy diet and take charge of your nutrition. First, let's dive into the vibrant world of fruits and vegetables. These colorful powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that boost your health in countless ways. Aim to fill half your plate with these nutrient-rich foods at every meal. Next up, whole grains. Think brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These grains are full of fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. Swap out refined grains for whole grains to make a simple yet impactful change. Now let's talk about protein, but not just any protein, lean protein. Chicken, fish, tofu, and beans are excellent choices that provide essential amino acids without excess saturated fats. While it's tempting to reach for sugary drinks and fast foods, limiting processed foods is key. These items are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. Instead, opt for fresh, whole foods as much as possible. Hydration plays a crucial role in a healthy diet. Water supports every cell in your body, so drink plenty throughout the day to stay energized and clear-headed. Finally, consider the balance in your diet. A variety of foods from different groups ensures you're getting a well-rounded intake of nutrients. Mix it up and enjoy a diverse range of meals. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you're taking positive steps towards a healthier you. Remember, every small change counts. Start today, and let's embrace a lifestyle of nourishment and vitality. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these tips with your friends and family.